Drug misuse is the excessive use of drugs, whether it be hallucinogens or even if it is a makeshift drug, for example, spraying deodorant.
Drug misuse is using drugs in a negative way to control maybe mental and physical factors.
Drug misuse is the misuse of drugs, whether it be prescription or recreational drugs.
I have many friends that have used drugs for recreational use in excess and it's caused them a lot of damage.
Young people are using drugs more nowadays, maybe because of school and stress and pressure.
I think drug misuse has risen for younger people nowadays because there's nothing for them to do and they do it just to pass time by.
I think drug misuse has risen in the case of younger people because they feel like they're pressured into drugs.
I think drug misuse has a negative effect on our community because most young people who start taking drugs do bad in school.
I think drug misuse affects our community because it increases the amount of violence in young people and it causes a lot of destructive behaviour.
It increases the amount of antisocial behaviour that happens in our community.
I think young people turn to drugs because they feel pressured by their experiences in life, whether it be family issues or they just feel like going off and experiencing a high in order to escape reality.
I think young people take drugs because their peers pressure them into doing it.
I think young people take drugs because of the pressure in school and their friends, and sometimes they just take drugs because they just want to try new things.
I think a lot of young people in Ballycastle turn to drugs because there's nothing for us to do in town.
I think young people in Ballycastle take drugs from boredom because it gives them something to do.
I've educated myself and I've passed that information on to others in order to teach them about what they can do in order to avoid drug misuse.
To highlight the dangers of it and how we can always talk to someone and open up to someone instead of taking drugs.
We have addressed the issue by electing 4 members from our group to be in the youth forum and be our voice to talk to local politicians and councillors on how to solve the drug misuse in our community.